Hello and welcome to Unpacking Packet 2 instructional video. So I have my packet 2. You should have gotten this off the bus or from the school. This is packet 2. Looks similar to this. And you should pick that up and be ready to go starting Monday with the lessons and activities that are written out in our packet 2 instructions. I'm going to show you the online one as well. This is packet 2, the first week, April 6th to April 10th. That's Monday. This packet starts on Monday, April 6th. So go on down there and we're going to look at the online instructions, which this link will be inside of Class Dojo. We are going now into Class Dojo. That link will be in here. It'll be in here. You'll be able to find it in here. I'm not going to really release it to you until later on today, which is Friday. You'll get it with this video, but you'll find it in here. In here, you'll also find Miss Mayo sharing information with you about a lesson she wants you to do, a read aloud activity that I shared, and daily instructional videos. This is Miss Phillips teaching blends for our Wednesday video. You should be watching these videos every day. In my class, here's Miss Hyman's Tuesday video. In my class, I shared out the 3 instructional videos, the addition sheet video, the L-blend sheet video, CVC sort instructional video, and the link to the last 2 weeks instructions. So you should have watched those in addition to the other instructional videos. Here's my apple picking video that I shared, the comprehension video. You'll get videos every single day from us teachers that we really, really, really want you to watch, including the unpacking videos are very important because it tells you how to use your new instructional packet in the lessons that are given. So this online instructions that's right here will be in Dojo. Please look out for it and make sure you're using it because it can help you get into your activities. And then if you have trouble getting in, always try to go into Clever. And inside of Clever, you log in with your badge right here. I log in with Google, but you can log in with your badge. You go inside of Clever, and all of your apps are right here that we use in school. Now, some of you ran into some trouble with vocabulary. Some of the links on the instructions did not work. So then you just go into vocabulary and type the name of the video you're supposed to watch and do it that way. If the link doesn't work, go into Clever and find the app that the instructions say to use, and then go in and just search for the video, because technology is not always perfect, but there's always ways around it to solve issues and solve problems. Or let me know, and I will be happy to help you. All right, back into our new packet. Here is our new instructional packet, our online instructions for this new week, new 2 weeks that we're in. So I went in and did a similar thing that I did last time, where I took paper clips. And I put everything, I went through using the instructions, and I put everything in order. So we are on Monday. We're on Monday. That's the first day you'll be using these instructions. And we always start with math first. You should have saw that trend with the last set of packets. Okay. But every single day, the beginning says, please do at least 20 minutes of additional reading every day. That is just with a book at home, or you may use Epic. Epic students read aloud. To find additional books, online books. You can also go into RazKids and find additional books to read. They have fun science books and things like that too if you wanted to explore that. But there is always something. Epic has books. That's what that's for. Use it. If you don't have books, if you read all your books at home already, use it. So you do your 20 minutes of reading. And it says, please record it on the log. Record it on this reading log. You put the date. You put the title of the book and a parent's signature every day. And you have a new log, 2 sides in this folder, in this new packet. And then it says to do the book review. That's this. And it says book review. See, it looks like this. And so I went in and I got all the book review papers. I sorted them because they're not always in order exactly right. So I went and put them in order, and I put them with a paper clip to put it all together. So that goes directly behind the alternative learning days instructions. Always have the instructions first so you know what you're looking for. You can go in to the date and the day and find what you need. So it goes instructions, log, and then book review. Next, we do our math, which is under Monday. Because we're on Monday, so you go to math. You do all your online stuff first. Brain Pop Jr., watch the video, ST Math, and then packet, math sheet. So not all the math sheets look exactly the same this time. They're not the same like last 2 weeks. We all had the same sheet every day. You have some different math sheets, but they're all math. That's what you're looking for. We have some number line. We have some word problems. Some more word problems. How many more sheet? This math sheet, 6 little fish. The thing is, when we copied it, we had to save paper. So on the back of this math sheet right here is a reading comprehension sheet. So when you're in your reading comprehension pack at the end, this will go at the end, but I'm just showing you. When you're in this, and then you need another one, look on the back of some of the math sheets. It might be there. And you're supposed to be keeping it all anyways, so it shouldn't be a problem to go and look and find it on the back of another sheet. It ended up on the back of a math sheet in this case, and it may have with yours as well. So just look on the backs to make sure something else isn't there that you'll need to use later on down the line. We did everything front and back. So then when we go back and look at the instructions again, you have ELA. So in ELA, remember that these are hyperlinks. That should help you in most cases. Unless the link doesn't work, then you go to Clever and you use the app. But Brain Pop Jr., that is a hyperlink. Remember, these blue underline, this is a hyperlink. That's a hyperlink. That's a hyperlink to go to YouTube and watch that video. Brain Pop Jr., this Brain Pop Jr. video, is a hyperlink. So then you're going to do the Brain Pop Junior. You'll watch the online read aloud, the best Easter egg ever. Complete the book review paper. So you're using the book review paper again here. Pack it. Do the blends sheet. That's this. They're all blends activities. So you just go through and you look and you find all the different blends activities, put them all together. Paper clip them and put them directly behind the math sheets. So now in order, you have your hard copy instructions. You have your reading log. Then you have your book review paper, which you have to go back to some throughout this lesson plan. Your math, and then all your blends sheets. This part's kind of confusing next. Next is your phoneme segmentation. We haven't done this before. This is new. It says read one line of CVC words from the phoneme segmentation sheet to someone. So the student will just choose a line, and I suggest they mark the line somehow. It might be fun for them to read it and then go back and color it. When they're done reading it to somebody, you can read it multiple times, it's fine. Just read one line, and then they can go back and color it a different color, and each time color a different color so they remember which one they did. And then they have 2 sheets of it. See? This happened again though, where a blend sheet is on the back of one of the phoneme segmentation sheets. So you need to pay attention to what's on the back of these activities. You'll need this blend sheet later, so make sure you keep up with it. So that goes at the end of the blend sheets. Next in the instructions, it says, read fluency packet page to someone. That's this. They will read the entire page. Read the whole thing. It says, point and read. Read each sentence as fast as you can. Ready, set, go. Do that every day for that week. And you have a new one here for the second week. First week is number 9. Second week, number 10. So they need to do that every day for that week. And they should get faster and more fluent as a better reader with it. This just helps practice fluency. So that goes at the back behind the phoneme segmentation sheet. You put it behind there. Now in the instructions, it does not say reading comprehension, but we did send you with it. So do one every day. Still do every day. Last week you did a reading comprehension sheet. Do one every day again this week. It doesn't say it in the instructions though, but still do it. It's important. Now, in the instructions, it says guided reading. Once again, you're using Raz Kids in Clever. I don't know that everyone in my class is doing this, so I'm just going to give a reminder. That's this robot right here. You go in there, you choose level up, and then you read a book from in there, and then you go and do the choice board. If you don't have internet, read a book at home and do this, but please, it's very important you're reading every day from Raz Kids or a book at home if you don't have internet. Be doing this. Get the choice board and respond to it on this packet. You don't have the other paper that you used to have, so you're using this packet. All right, and then put it all back together, stick it back in the bag. That is all the time I have. I love you. Keep doing a good job. Keep studying. Keep doing your work. I want to see all that online work. I'm going to be checking. All right. Bye-bye.